cuties, welcome! Today I'm going to try and paint and cute owl. Let's try and paint together. First of all, I'm drawing owl's head and his ears. And now I'm going to draw his body with wings.
Amazing!
Overall has two big eyes and cute lashes. Let's draw his beak and front part of the belly. Look, owl looking at drawing.
Amazing!
Let's draw his claws. And here I am drawing a branch with leaves. Let's use a thick black marker to make our drawing more visible. It's time to paint. Let's paint together. First of all, I'm using brown paint for owl's ear, beak, and his claws.
Amazing!
And light brown paint for owl's body.
Amazing! Amazing!
Our owl has some colorful feathers, so first I'm using pink paint. Green. Yellow. Blue.
Amazing!
Look, our drawing is become more colorful now. Green. Orange. Thanks for watching. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.